Cellulite, which we also call as orange peel skin, is a common problem. About 80 to 90% of men and women would face this problem during their lifetime. So what is cellulite and what are the reasons that you get cellulite, how you can prevent it? Cellulite is nothing but an interaction between the connective layer of your skin and the fat layer. Sometimes the fat cells protrude between the connective fibers, and that's what causes the dimpling or the depression or the lumps inside the skin. It can be of different grades. Grade 1, which is mild, which is also called orange peel due to its appearance. Grade 2, which is also called the cottage cheese appearance due to its appearance. Or grade 3, which is very, very severe. It's also called a mattress appearance because it's very lumpy in nature. Now what you can do to prevent it? Of course, follow good lifestyle which is low in salt, low in sugar, have an active lifestyle, and indulge in some lymphatic drainage massages so that your fat cells don't get accumulated and get drained out of the body on its own. Dry brushing is a very good technique that you can actually teach your children and yourself and do it every day. Another thing is, of course, pinching massage, which is always good to remove that fat cells from accumulating and protruding and giving you a smoother appearance. Invest in a good body scrub which has caffeine, which further improves the blood circulation. Other creams like retinol, caffeine, they are also in the market which also provides some kind of temporary relief. But if you have really bad cellulite and that is something that is bothering you, there are also treatments. At IZAC, we have exclusive treatment with acoustic wave therapy which can actually remove cellulite. You would need about 10 to 12 sessions of this treatment, and you would have to come once or twice every week depending on the grade of the cellulite. There's another treatment which is InstaScut, which uses non-invasive carboxytherapy to not only improve the blood circulation around that area but also to give you a smoother and a perfect skin. Sometimes when our clients come to us with cellulite, they also would want inch loss for that treatment. So that is when, depending on their appearance, we might just combine it with Met Contour or Exilis, depending on what the client is looking for. But these are few tips and tricks that you can do at home. Reduce salt and sugar in your diet. Make sure you wear loose undergarments, don't wear anything tight. Indulge in some self-massages and self-care rituals like dry brushing. Indulge in some body scrubs that you can make at home, something very easy with caffeine, coconut oil. You can just mix it up together and apply it once or twice in a week. These things definitely help.